Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will simply be showing you how you can go ahead and fix your chat GPT not available in this country problem. So apparently chat GPT is kind of available in multiple countries already, but if you're getting that problem, first of all go to your phone's browser and go to the search bar option, type in supported countries. Simply go ahead, search it up, and then you will tap on the supported countries OpenAI API. Tap on that link. Here you can see you can get the list of the countries where ChatGPT is available. Simply go ahead, look it up if your country is there or not. So if your country is there and if you're still getting that problem, you can go ahead, check your network connection, go ahead again, try to get logged in or use ChatGPT. But if it's not the case, you can again confirm that a country is not listed over there. Then you only have an option of simply downloading a free VPN there in your mobile phone and change your location for ChatGPT and use it. So for that, simply go to your mobile's Play Store, right, tap on this search box open, tap on this VPN. So there are plenty of free VPN available in Play Store. Simply go ahead, add or install any of the free VPN available. Simply go ahead, install it and change your location like you do for some of the Netflix shows in that VPN, and you will simply be able to access your chat GPT. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. If you have more curiosity, want clarification regarding any of the issues mentioned, do leave them in the comments below. And yes, I will see you guys next time.